A B C D alphabet. A for apple, P for ball. A for apple, B for ball, B for ball, C for car, D for doll, E for elephant, F for fish, G for gorilla, H for horse, I for ice cream, J for juice, K for kangaroo, L for lemon, M for monkey, N for nest, O for ostrich, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for snake, T for tiger, U for unicorn, V for violin, W for wall, X for Xmas tree, Y for yak, Z for zebra.